Friendship, about friendship. So, parang ito yung first venture namin as friends. Dito ang simula, parang dito mag-start whatever kung magkakaroon pa kami ng future.
Nanubabo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis Season.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Barangay Dela Paz Norte, San Fernando, Pampanga. So this is a newly built building and it has some surprising tenants po ng mga pagkain. So we're gonna be featuring them today on this vlog. So if you're interested to know more about this,
So tara, let's go!
okay, so for our first stop, so this is one of the tenants we're gonna be introducing you. Ito po ang Chickmate Roasters. They have like roasted chicken, crispy pata, fried chicken. Interesting, really interesting.
Misconceptions, picture perfect. A balance blend and some pretend.
So we got our takeout from Chickmate Roasters. Punta naman tayo sa susunod nating i-feature.
Tara!
Let's go!
Welcome to Kumares Kumpares. We are serving affordable comfort food. So, mainly mga mami, beef pares, kalderetang kambing, at Batangas Bulalo. Meron kaming bagong promo which is yung Party Trio Bilao.
Get me through, get me through.
Alright, so again guys, thank you for being with us in this vlog.
Yes.
So on our table, we have Party Trio.
So we have sisig, fried chicken, and fried lumpia.
This can accommodate 4 to 5 person. Another dish that they allow us to eat is the
Steamed kalderetang kambing.
Now for the pares, which is ito yung pinaka-staple food nila. So I have atapa and lechon kawali.
So ako naman, nandito yung beef pares and yung lechon kawali nila. So what are we waiting for? Let's taste it!
Malasa yung tapa nila.
Sa 155 pesos mo, ito yung makukuha mo. So, sulit na rin siya.
Sulit na sulit siya. Imagine guys, unlimited rice, unlimited soup, unlimited drink for the iced tea.
Yes.
Talagang magpapakabusog ka dito. Tikman natin guys. I'm gonna, sip it up from the cup. Wow. Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung pinakulan ng meat, the bones, and ang daming garlic. Oh, wow.
One look and I breathe.
Lalo-lalo na yung setup natin, most of the time, we eat the foods with our family. Talagang bagay na bagay yung mga ganitong party.
Patok na patok to.
Yes. Tingnan naman natin sa there.
Ito yung isa sa mga inaabang-abangan mo.
So for only 200 pesos, you get this really hot and sizzling kalderetang kambing. Yeah.
Natin.
Lambot guys, super. And the taste, you can really appreciate or imagine na talagang hindi tinipid yung lasa.
Yes.
Sarap. So actually nakapag-take out din kami kanina dun sa Chickmate. Although these are take out guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, medyo excited kami matikman yung mga pagkain nila before we really, take it sa bahay. So this one is the crispy pata.
On the other side naman natin is yung full roasted chicken.
Yeah. This one is really crispy.
Wow.
Super crispy yung balat.
In and out.
Wow! Kudos to Chickmate. Super crispy ng balat natin, pero hindi matigas.
Sarap din yung roasted chicken nila. Mukhang malasa.
Get me through, get me through.
Kumares Kumpares, so nag-open sila from 7:30 a.m. until 10 p.m. in the evening. So, medyo mahaba yung time nyo to visit their place.
And at the same time, really great for a morning or a breakfast meal. Because 7:30 bukas na sila. Diba? The place is really comfortable.
Yes, komportable kang kumakain, malinis.
Malinis.
So talagang mag-enjoy kang kakain dito.
Yeah. So, alright, so we're gonna continue eating and experience the food that they allow us to eat here. Later on, guys, next scene makikita nyo, lipat tayo sa kabila. Sa milk.
Alright, so this is the third store we're gonna be visiting this block na to. So this is I Want Tea. We're gonna be having some taste test here and some we're gonna be, you know, take out sa bahay para ma-enjoy din naman nila yung mga kinain namin. Anyway, so yeah, let's order.
Sir, ito po yung mga bestseller namin sa premium. May chocolate overload kami, one of the bestseller. Tapos yung Orison Cream. Ito po yung mga series namin na may mga cake pop. Sa mga classic po, yung one of the bestseller namin si Okinawa po. Tapos si Taro Milk Tea, Winter Melon. Tapos may mga yun naman. Top with creamy mousse po sila lahat. Meron din kami fruit tea, mixed berries, one of the bestseller. Tapos yung peach mango namin.
So there you have it, guys. This is it, the third stop for this vlog. So again, this is I Want Tea. On my table, I have the Winter Melon, Strawberry Latte, Taro Milk Tea. Again, this is the Okinawa, and lastly, brown sugar.
On my table naman, meron tayo ditong chocolate overload, mixed berries, peach mango, and syempre yung kanilang I Want Tea house blend.
There you go. Alright, so I wanna taste yung kanilang brown sugar.
So ako naman syempre yung mixed berries nila.
Yeah. Considering, guys, this is just 25%. I think the sweetness for me is enough.
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
So nag-enjoy ako dito sa mixed berries nila. Kasi meron siyang popping boba. And at the same time, meron din siyang nata de coco.
Alright.
So si I Want Tea is open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Nice.
Alright, so before we leave you guys, I wanna taste this Winter Melon milk tea because this is my first love sa lahat ng mga milk tea.
Tatry ko yung kanilang house blend since ito naman pinaka-signature nila. Ang sarap nung kanilang house blend. Something unique nila dito is meron silang cake puff tsaka yung creamy mousse. Something interesting.
Available po sa Food Panda, Samahan, and Eats Papa.
Wow.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us in this vlog. It's a little bit lengthy, pero grabe, sulit na sulit yung araw natin.
So we would like to thank also Chickmate, Kumares Kumpares, at the same time, I Want Tea.
So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, we hope to see you here.
That's it. Peace out.
Bye.